Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. I am Okocha Happy Marcel. Today is the 8th day of February 2025, and here in the news that terrorists, popularly known as Bändits, has kidnapped Imam, Muslim worshippers, during early morning prayer in Sokoto state. Today is the 8th day of February 2025, and the report has it that a group of terrorists, locally known as Bändits, have abducted several Muslim worshippers during the early morning prayer in the Bushe community, Sabon Benin local government area of Sokoto state. This was confirmed by the Nigerian Police Force Sokoto State Command spokesperson DSP Ahmed Rufai. He said, "I just confirmed the incident from the DPO of the community when I spoke with him on the telephone," he told the Punch newspaper. "I want to assure you that the Nigerian police, in conjunction with other security agencies, are working tirelessly to ensure the immediate release of all the abductees. It was gathered that the gunmen reportedly stormed a mosque in Bushe town at dawn on Thursday, abducting at least 10 worshippers, including a man. A local source in the community said the attack occurred while worshippers were performing their early morning prayer. The source added that the community had suffered repeated attacks despite the presence of the security forces, including troops of Operation Fazan Yaman from the Nigerian Army's 8th Division headquarters. A member of Sokoto State House of Assembly representing the area, Saidu Ibrahim, also confirmed the incident, stating that at least 10 people were kidnapped. He, however, commended the troops for preventing further adoption." This is the end of the article. It is disheartening anyway that people who are in the mosque praying, that they were adopted